Kumusta uli mga ka-redeem dyan? At ito na naman ang ating paboritong banda, ang banda ng bayan, ang Franz Rhythm. At meron na naman akong gagawing reaction video sa ating paboritong banda. At ang kakantahin nila ay Breathless by The Course. Breathless by The Course. And sigurado, The Course, ang kakanta niyan ay si Char. Okay, pakinggan na natin. Tatawanan ko.
Please don't forget to subscribe, guys.
Daylight's fading slowly, but time with you is standing still. I'm waiting for you only, the slightest touch and I feel weak. I cannot hide from you, I cannot hide. I'm losing the will to try, get high.
Sandali lang po. Meron lang akong sasabihin na pag nangupya sila ng kanta, talagang malapit na malapit sa original kasi yung gitara, si Chen, kinukuha talaga niya kung ano yung nandun sa original. Sa bagay, si Char, ganun din sa keyboard. Si Dodds, ganun din. At saka si Daddy. Si Daddy, talagang walang sablay sa bass niya. Napakagaling. Okay po.
Can't fight it, so go on, go on. Come on, leave me breathless, let me teach me until I get another loving feeling. Make me long for your kiss. Go on, yeah.
Yan na.
There's no tomorrow.
Si Chen talagang magaling.
And all we have is here and now. I'm happy just to have you. You're all the love I need somehow. It's like a dream, although I'm not asleep. I never want to wake up. Don't lose it, don't leave it. So go on, come on, leave me breathless, let me tease me until I get another loving feeling. Make me long for your kiss. Go on, yeah.
Galing. Galing si Chen.
From you I cannot hide. I've lost my will to try. Can't hide it, can't fight it. So go on, come on, leave me breathless, let me tease me until I get another loving feeling. Make me long for your kiss. Go on,
Galing din ni Dodds.
leave me breathless. Go on, come on, leave me breathless. Go on, come on, leave me breathless. Go on, come on, leave me breathless. Go on.
Ang Galing.
Thank you so much
Husay.
for watching.
Galing. Ang galing.
God bless everyone.
Si Char, ang galing din talaga. Super galing ni Char. Kuha niya yung boses ng The Course. Si Andrea ba yung si vocalist doon? Kuha niya. Talagang ang husay ng banda itong family band na to. Pag nangopya, parang original, lapit sa original. Yeah, si super talented. Naglilinis. Oh, si Chen nasa ano naman, sa dentista. Okay po. Next time uli. At maraming salamat sa panonood nyo sa video ko rin. Kaya pagkatapos yung manood sa ating paboritong banda, medyo panoorin yun din yung mga video ko. At marami pong salamat sa panonood nyo. At paano? Hanggang sa susunod muli-uli. Kasi hanghaba na ng sinabi ko na naman. Bye for now. Bye-bye.